The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks the thrilling return of one of the most iconic names in automotive history. Blending classic design cues with modern engineering, this reimagined coupe pays homage to the original while embracing the latest in performance and sustainability. After decades of absence, Volkswagen has revived the Karmann Ghia as a sleek, all-electric vehicle that captures the spirit of mid-century motoring with the innovation of today's technology. From the first glance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia evokes a strong sense of nostalgia. Its silhouette remains faithful to the original model, with smooth, flowing lines and a low-slung profile that made the vintage version so beloved. The front end features rounded LED headlamps set into a minimalist grille, offering a retro-futuristic appeal. Subtle chrome accents and the signature VW badge maintain a classic charm, while aerodynamic enhancements such as a sculpted underbody and retractable door handles push the design firmly into the future. It's a car that speaks to both enthusiasts of vintage aesthetics and fans of modern styling. Underneath its elegant exterior lies a cutting-edge electric powertrain. Volkswagen has equipped the Karmann Ghia with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup capable of producing 320 horsepower, enabling brisk acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. The battery pack, estimated at 82 kilowatt-hours, delivers a driving range of approximately 300 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for both spirited drives and daily commuting. The vehicle supports DC fast charging, allowing an 80% recharge in just 30 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime on longer trips. Inside, the cabin is a refined blend of heritage and high-tech. Volkswagen has preserved the simplistic layout of the original dash but reinterpreted it with digital displays and premium materials. A large central touchscreen handles infotainment and vehicle controls, while a retro-inspired gauge cluster displays speed, battery level, and navigation in a uniquely styled digital format. Vegan leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting add to the upscale feel, while seating remains low and driver-focused, much like the coupe's predecessor. Volkswagen has also prioritized driver assistance and safety. The new Karmann Ghia comes equipped with the brand's IQ Drive Suite, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies ensure that the driving experience is not only engaging but also secure. Additional features like 360-degree cameras, automatic parking, and a heads-up display contribute to the car's modern usability, offering convenience without compromising the classic sports coupe vibe. What truly sets the 2026 Karmann Ghia apart is how it bridges generations. It's more than a revival, it's a reinterpretation. Volkswagen hasn't just recreated a historic vehicle, they've reimagined it for a new era of drivers. Whether cruising through city streets or winding along scenic roads, the Karmann Ghia offers a unique mix of elegance, performance, and eco-consciousness that few vehicles in its class can match. This new chapter in the Karmann Ghia's legacy underscores Volkswagen's commitment to sustainable mobility and design excellence. It honors the past while steering confidently into the future. With the 2026 model, the Karmann Ghia once again becomes a symbol, not just of style and innovation, but of how history can inspire progress. For collectors, enthusiasts, and new drivers alike, it's a compelling choice that proves timeless design never goes out of style.